11 Circle Part 1. Circle. What are the circular objects in our day-to-day life? Very easy example of the circle is the bangle and the ring. So bangle and ring is of circular shape. Here one circle is drawn. Now the components of the circle. You have already learnt the components of the circle in 5th and 6th. Revise it only. First is the radius. Radius means a segment which joins the center point and any one point which is on the circle. Okay, and it is denoted by the letter R. So this segment is called as the radius, and this is the center of the circle. It is denoted by the letter R, and we know that radius is half of the diameter. So formula of the radius is d divided by 2. Here d stands for diameter. This is the diameter. Diameter is a segment which joins any points on the circle, and very important thing is it passes through the center of the circle, and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. It is denoted by the letter D. It is double of radius. This is one radius and this is one more. So 2 times radius. Formula is D is equal to 2 into radius. Let's write the name of the radii, chords and diameters. Radii is the plural form of the radius. So how many radii are in this figure? OB, OC, OA and OF. These 4 radii you can write here in the first row. Then the chords. Chord is also a segment which joins any 2 points on the circle. So this EC is one chord, AB, FC and AD. The 4 chords are in this figure. Now the diameter. Diameter is also a chord, but it should pass through the center point. So EC is a diameter, is it? No, because it does not pass through the center point. But this AB pass through the center point, so we can write this E as a diameter here. AD, no, because it does not pass through the center point. FC, yes, it passes through the center point, so we can write the FC as a diameter here. This year you are going to learn about the circumference. What is mean by circumference? See, inside blue colored circle is drawn here, and around it a red colored thread is wrapped. So what is circumference? See, this is the circular shape or cylindrical shape object. So if we have to measure the circumference, take one thread and wrap around it. So if we measure the length of this much thread only, you will get the circumference of it. Like this you can measure the circumference physically. Okay. So if this is the circle, and it will be the circumference of the circle. We have learnt about the perimeter. We find the perimeter of the square, rectangle, triangle. Like this we will find out the circumference of the circle, and the circumference is denoted by the letter C, and the formula of the circumference is 2 pi r. This symbol is called as the pi. 2 pi r. Now like this, one activity you have to do at home. You have to measure the circumference of these objects which are at your home. Bangle, circular dish or plate you can take, and lid of Measure the circumference with the help of the thread, wrap around it and then measure on the scale. Thread, take one thread and wrap around it and then take that thread exactly and measure with the help of the scale and write that in centimeters here. 19 centimeter, 6 centimeter diameter, and you can write the ratio of the circumference upon diameter and divide it. You know how to divide in decimal form. So divide it and write the decimal form of the quotient here. Measure the circumference of the plate or a dish, right here diameter, and then find the ratio. Understood?